subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. After MWC 2020 getting cancelled, Huawei decided to go ahead with its planned launch event, but instead of having a physical event, the Chinese giant organized a virtual press event to launch its new devices. Among many devices launched during the event, one of them was Huawei Mate Xs, second foldable smartphone from the company and an upgraded variant of its first such device, Huawei Mate X. Compared to the usual retail box that comes with the smartphone, the box that Huawei is offering with the Mate Xs seems a bit different. Here's the unboxing experience of the phone detailed. The Huawei Mate Xs comes in a big square shared black colored box which can be opened through a magnetic flap. When opened, you are presented with the Mate Xs foldable smartphone in an unfolded position, wrapped in a plastic sheet. Removing that layer from the box presents 3 compartments that houses different accessories that the Chinese giant offers, which includes a plastic protective case or frame, a charger, data cable, collar clip, and earphones. Coming to the smartphone, in an unfolded mode, the Huawei Mate Xs has a thin 8-inch display with a thickness of just 5.4 mm. When closed, the phone offers 6.6-inch and 6.38-inch displays along with a comfortable grip to hold the device on hand. Similar to its predecessor, the camera module has been placed on the grip bar. The 4 camera sensors are placed vertically along with an LED flash from the top of the grip bar, while there's Huawei branding at the lower side. At the bottom, there's a USB Type-C port for charging the smartphone. The Huawei Mate Xs comes with some improvements over its predecessor. The device features an upgraded hinge structure and an enhanced cooling system, and more importantly, comes powered by the latest Kirin 995G chipset. The Mate Xs possesses a dual-layer structure over the 8-inch foldable OLED display that offers a screen resolution of 2200 by 2480 pixels. The frontal 6.6-inch screen offers an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9, and the screen portion on the rear, a 6.38-inch display, offers a tall aspect ratio of 25 to 9. The camera setup of the device includes a 40-megapixel main lens, an 8-megapixel telephoto shooter with OIS, 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a TOF sensor. It does not feature a front-facing camera, as the main camera module works as the front-facing module as well, with a rear screen viewfinder for shooting selfies. Along with the Huawei's own Kirin 995G chipset, the device comes packed with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs the latest Android 10 operating system out of the box with MUI 10 user interface and Huawei Mobile Services (HMS) instead of Google's services. It comes powered by a 4,500 mAh battery, which also supports 55 watts fast charging technology. The Huawei Mate Xs will be available for purchase in the Chinese market from March 5th for a price of 16,999 yuan, which roughly converts to $2,424. Same pricing as its predecessor, Huawei Mate X. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.